A very good morning to all of you students. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine and doing your studies also at home. Yes? So, I welcome you in my social science class. Right now we are having social science class. Yes? So bring your social science book, notebook with you. Yes? All of you bring fast. But students, before starting the chapter which we are already discussing, I would like to share one fact about plateaus. Okay, students, there is a fact about plateaus. And what is the fact? The largest and the highest plateau in the world is the Tibetan Plateau. So, the largest and the highest plateau in the world is the Tibetan Plateau. What is the name of the highest and the largest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Yes, this is the picture of Tibetan Plateau and it is here in nearby Tibet. Yes, nearby Nepal. So you can see here India map and near Nepal border there is Tibetan Plateau. This yellow shaded portion is a Tibetan Plateau which is the largest and the highest plateau in the world. So was it interesting for you all? Yes, to know which is the highest and the largest plateau in the world? Yes. So now students, with this, let me start the chapter 5, the Southern Plateau. We were on this chapter only. We were doing the discussion. We have completed the book exercise. Yes, question and answer we have completed. Today we will do the map work. Yes, students. So today what we will do? We will do the map work. And the map question for this chapter is, on a map of India, mark and label the southern plateaus. So what you have to do, students? You have to take a map of India and mark and label the southern plateaus. So you have to take a political map of India, or you can take a the physical map of India. Any map you can take, political or physical. On the map of India you have to mark the southern plateaus. So you have to tell where are southern plateaus in the map of India. So let's see where it is. So I have taken a physical map of India. Okay, so if you can have it from the stationery, you can bring the physical map of India. And in physical map of India, you can see this light green shaded portion. This light green shaded portion is the southern plateaus. Yes, these are the southern plateaus in our country, India. So you can see you have to mark with the pencil. First will mark with the pencil the same way how it is shown in the map. Yes, how it is shown in for the reference. So you will mark like this, you will draw like this with the pencil like this, and then you will make a cone shape, and then you will write southern plateaus. So this area of our country is the southern plateaus. Okay, students. So you will do this. The slides I will share you with in the PDF form. Yes, so you can see the map and for the reference purpose, and then you can draw the southern plateaus in the physical map of India. You can label the southern plateaus, and then you have to paste this map in the social science notebook. Yes, students. So let's see question number 2 of the map. There is two map work which you have to do in this chapter. First was that you have to label the southern plateaus on the map of India. Now the second one is mark and label the rivers which flow through the southern plateau on a map. So what you have to do, students, you have to mark the rivers which flow through the southern plateaus on the map. So we will do like this. On the physical map only, physical map of India where you have marked the southern plateau, on the same map you can do this also. So after marking the southern plateau, you can show here that where is Narmada river, where is Tapi river, where is Godavari river, where is Krishna river, and where is Kaveri river, and the last one is Mahanadi river. So these are the 6 rivers which flow in the southern plateaus. Yes, so you can through the line, through the pencil, you can draw Narmada river, then you can show Tapi river, then you can show Godavari river. From here you can draw it like this with the help of pencil, and Krishna river you can draw nearby here, and then Kaveri river you can show here nearby Tamil Nadu. Yes, and Mahanadi here you can draw, just you have to mark a line, just draw a simple line, okay, to show these rivers. So this slide also I will share you in the PDF form, so that you can see from here and you can mark the rivers which flow in the southern plateaus. Okay students, so this is a map work which you have to do and paste in the notebook. Yes, now there is an activity, and what is the activity students? So now we will discuss about the activity. Yes students, and what is the activity 1 we will do? The activity 1 is make a list of the states which fall in the Deccan Plateau. So what you have to do in activity 1, you have to make a list of those states which fall in the Deccan Plateau. So the states which fall in the Deccan Plateaus are Telangana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So these are the states which come in the Deccan Plateau. Okay students, so you have to write this in the notebook only. Write the heading, write the topic, activity 1, right, and then write the question, and then you have to write the answer, that the states which fall in the Deccan Plateau are Telangana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Okay students, so this is activity 1 which you have to do in the notebook. So today what we have done? Today we have done the map work. Yes, the map you have to paste in the notebook, and you have to do the map questions. Yes, there are two questions. One, you have to mark the southern plateaus in the physical map of India, and second one is you have to mark the rivers which flows in the southern plateaus. Okay, and then you have to paste that map in your social science notebook. Now students, there is a homework for you. And what is the homework? You all know that today is a online class test. Yes, today you have to do online class test, because the message has been dropped. Yes, that there will be an online class test of chapter number 4. Yes, so today we have uploaded the link on the in the homework section in the on the school app. So from there you will copy that link and you will paste in the Google Chrome. The online test form will come on that link. Yes, and then you will attempt all the questions which are there. Okay, and then you have to submit that class test. Okay students, so what you have to do, let me remind you once again. Today is an online class test of social science chapter 4, the western deserts of India. Link is provided in homework section on school app. Yes, as you have done the online test of chapter 3, the same way the link is provided in the homework section for online test of chapter 4 also. That link you have to copy and paste in the Google Chrome, and then you have to appear in the test, and then you have to submit the test. Yes, the link would be available for today only. So earlier the link was provided for 3 days because you were not able to do the test. Yes, but this time we will only provide you the link for today only. The link would be available for today only. So appear in online class today itself. So appear the whole day you have. So at any time you can open the link, you can copy the link and you can paste in the Google Chrome, and then you can appear in the class test, but the link will be available only for today. Okay students, so best of luck and do well, score 10 out of 10. Yes students, till then, thank you and have a nice day.